And there you go, folks. Our show has officially started. How about a round of applause for flag-raising third Valley Tweet Trainer Jen? Hello everyone! Maayong hapon sa tananan. Welcome to Cebu para sa aming theater. By the way, my name is BJ, and I'm gonna be your host for this afternoon. Now, our next featured bird, just like any married couples, monogamous, meaning there will be partners for a lifetime. Sana all. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples would attest, in our relationship there will always be battles. So let's meet our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw, Blue and Zoo. And today, they will battle it over who is the best in the basketball game. But before we continue, I'll be dividing you guys into two groups, where all the boys will cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say, go Blue, go Blue. Go Blue, go Blue. And all the girls will cheer for a Zoo as well. Come on girls, say, go Zoo, go Zoo. Okay, so are you guys ready for the basketball game?
Yes.
I can hear you. Are you guys ready? Okay, so birds ready, trainers ready, set, go! Now here comes Azul for the first ball, followed by Blue, second ball for both birds, and the last ball, who's gonna win? Blue wins this round. That's alright, Azul. So I guess Azul deserves another game. So let's do a ring race. So the mechanics of this game is the first bird who will drop all three rings into the pool. The fastest is the winner. That's the ring race. Okay, girls, are you ready for the second round? Girls, ready na ba?
Yeah.
Okay, so birds ready, set, go! Now here comes Blue for the first ring. Namuna naman. Second ring for Blue. Hey, this is Azul is picking all three rings at the same time. What a clever play by Azul. How about a round of applause for Blue and Azul? So at this moment, we would like to show more about Blue's flying ability. So everyone, please take your seat, ready your camera, as Blue will fly above your heads. So just a friendly reminder lang guys, na ikulupad si Blue sa inyong tuhod, ayaw i-raise ang inyong hands para di freak out ang bird pagawas. Thank you for your understanding. As you can see, most of the birds in the show are parrots. It's because parrots are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and physically inclined. They have a good memory and can remember even the smallest details. So Blueies are blue and gold macaw. So these birds typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits such as durian, papaya, rambutan, and they also love worms. And there you go, magnificent right now, but a round of applause for flying macaw Blue. Now this time, I need an adult volunteer with a 20 peso bill. Okay, you sir, please come join me here in the front and bring with you your money bill. First of all, may I have your name, please? How about a round of applause for our volunteer, Mr. DJ? Okay, sir. Welcome to your pangalan, sir. Okay, sir, let me stand right here. Face towards me. And extend your left arm sideways like this. As I be putting your money between your fingers. Okay, sir. No matter what happens, don't overspeed your arm. Okay? Steady lang. Do you have any idea what will happen next? You'll see, here comes our money bird, Blue. Blue flies over. Here's the money. What's next, Blue? Blue flies back into the table, and I guess Blue wants to take your money. Okay, Rajan, how about a meaningful this time? How about a 500 peso bill? Wala na? Wala na, sir? You know what, sir? We're just kidding. It's just our show. We will return your money, but before that, Blue wants to have a picture with you for souvenir. Do you have your phone with you, sir? Inside, we can have a picture with sir. Okay, sir, and just follow trainer Jen's instruction. Okay, give us your best pose and best smile together with our Money Bird Blue. Pang Instagram. Wait lang, sir. Temporarily. Pang Friendster profile. Okay, enact. Okay, and here is your money bag. How about a round of applause for our volunteer and our Money Bird Blue? Now, up next, let's get up close and personal with our 3 different kinds of parrots that we have here in Cebu, Ocean Park. So, are you guys ready to meet them? Are you guys ready? Now, let's meet our Greek macaw bandit, our reckless parrot red, and our blue and gold macaw goldie. So, first off, in my left, that bird, we have bandit. So bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Its wing and tail feathers are green. That macaw has a wide liquid face line with small red feathers. Then are the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. And also they are called the gentle giants of the parrot family. In scientific, it's Arachlorotilus. Say hi to everyone, Brandon. Oh, there you go. Keep going. So next up, we have Goldie. So Goldie is a beautiful macaw. Blue and gold macaw has a beautiful shade of blue in their back and a solid shade of yellow on their belly and ears. Their eyes and beaks are solid black. Blue and gold macaw belongs to their group of parrots, measuring about 80 centimeters in length and 11 to 17 years old. Their scientific name is
Tusik-tusikon ko.
Shadeless TVP beard is our Lectus parrot red. So Lectus parrot is
Naka-flash yung cellphone mo.
Ah.
If you don't know